Hey, I'm Tony Zach with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach. We strive to be the most reliable plumbers around. One happy customer said, Benjamin Franklin Plumbing is top-notch in customer service, professional staff, knowledgeable service tech, and value. Very short wait for service. The service tech, Leroy Staggers, was very knowledgeable, polite, informative to my problem and the solution. I will definitely use them again and highly recommend them. For all your plumbing needs, give the professionals a call at Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach.